Hi friends, it's the Sparkler Princess. I've been really busy since I last saw you. I'm so excited to show you what I've been doing. Are you ready? I made this paper chain. Whoa, look how big it is. Look at how all of these links are connected together. It took me a long time. I could add more links and make it so long that it would stretch all the way around the world. That would be so much fun. It might take a long time all by myself. I think I might need a little bit of help to do that. Hey, maybe you could help me. Oh, I just had a thought. Imagine our great big hearts being like these links. Imagine our hearts connected all the way around the world. Every girl and boy, every mom and dad, every grandpa and grandma, every auntie and uncle, every dog and cat, every cow and donkey, every lamb and lion, and every bumblebee and flower. We're all connected. Look at the colors on the chain. There's red, orange, blue, yellow, green, and pink. Just like a rainbow. A rainbow can't be a rainbow without colors. And the world can't be the world without all the people colors. What color are you? No matter what color you are, it's the most beautiful color in the whole world. Every color is beautiful. Oh, I just thought of something else. If you were a link on this chain, where would you like to be? There's so many choices. Maybe you could take turns being in different places on the chain. Where would you like to be? Here? Here? Or here? No matter where you choose, remember to stay connected to others on the chain, because we're much stronger and much more powerful when we're connected together in our hearts. Did you know that each link on this paper chain holds an important place no matter where they are? I'll show you what I mean. If I take one link out, it would be broken and it wouldn't be connected anymore. And what would happen if none of the links were connected? Then they'd be scattered everywhere. And some might even get lost. Could you help the Sparkler Princess find friends who might be lost? Can you be a friend to them? Will you hold out your hand and say, "Come be my friend"? You know, everyone is a special part of this world. Some friends might have forgotten. So if you help them to remember how special they are, I know you will do such a great job, because you're a great friend to everyone. Thank you. That would be so wonderful, and that would make everyone very happy, especially the Sparkler Princess. Imagine everyone and everything on this planet having connected hearts just like these hearts. Now that's a great thought. Oh goodness, it's time for me to go, but would you stay connected with the Sparkler Princess and your friends? Thank you. Be sure and write me at thesparklerprincess@gmail.com and tell me about what you're doing in your life to stay connected. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.